What's going on, everyone? So today I'm doing a video about Survey Junkie. I've been seeing a couple things about it and I wanted to check it out for myself because I'm not actually sure that you could make decent money. I've been hearing that you can make money on Survey Junkie and I started testing it out for myself. So here I have it downloaded, and this is kind of, I'll do a screen recording too so you can see, but as of right now I have $1.72. Oh look, it had me starting a survey already. So as of right now I have $1.72. I filled out a couple surveys, but I wanted to actually see what you could make with an hour of doing Survey Junkie. And the reason I want to set an hour is because, I mean, this could be a total waste of your time, right? I mean, I filled out, I don't know how many surveys, maybe like 5 or 6 surveys, and I didn't keep track of my time before, but right now I have $1.72, and you can apparently cash these out for Amazon gift cards. You could get a PayPal. There's different ways to get the money. Okay guys, so here we are on Survey Junkie. This is the amount of points I got already from filling out some surveys, and they do give you some, they give you some money for verifying your email and confirming that that's your email, and some other steps as far as filling out your profile. They give you points and money for doing that. So that's cool. That's a cool thing. But this is the app. It tells you my points, and then just down here are all the surveys. So they kind of tell you just how long approximately the surveys are going to take, how many points you're going to get for them. This is 25. So let's try a couple different ones. But I just wanted to show you that I have $1.72 already, and I'm going to be trying this for an hour. So approximately around 7:53. I really don't believe I'm doing this, but all right. And it did say that I think you need a minimum. So to redeem $5, you need 328 points, and you must reach a minimum of 500 points to redeem your current points. Okay, so you can see I took a couple surveys already. So let's check it out. Let's see how this goes. And I know a lot of people are in need of money right now, and they're just looking for other things to do on the side as far as making money, a side hustle. And a lot of us who were Uber drivers, gig workers, or just, you know, regular employees, now they need a new way of making income and a side income. So I don't know, I saw some videos about Survey Junkie and I was like, you know what, let me just download it, check it out for myself, and do a review on it. So I'm about to start the time right now. It is 6:49 p.m. So I'm gonna I don't believe I'm going to do this. I'm going to do an hour of filling out surveys. Never did that before in my life. But today, I just want to see how much money I could actually make in an hour. And if after this hour, I don't make a good amount of money, I'll probably just uninstall the app completely. But if I do make some good money, then maybe I'll keep it in my phone and just fill it out on my free time. So let's check it out. I'm about to start the screen recording. I'm not going to screen record the whole hour because that's a lot. That's going to be a lot of video. But I will screen record the beginning, maybe the first survey, and then I'll screen record at the end so you guys can see how much I made. All right, let's check it out. What's up, guys? All right, I know it's getting dark right now, and I just want to make this quick video before let's see. I just want to make this quick video before it gets completely dark. All right, so I just did an hour of Survey Junkie, and I gotta be honest, I am not happy at all with these results. So as you guys remember in the beginning, I just showed you a pre-recording of how much money I had before I started this hour of Survey Junkie. I had $1.71. Now, here we are in my account.
Oh no!
I don't know if you can see that, but it says $2.67. So I started with $1.70. So in an hour, guys. So $2.67. Actually, I think it was $1.71. So minus 1.71. I made 96 cents in an hour. That is ridiculous. I took about 3 surveys. So I took 2. I don't believe people are recommending this. I took 2 surveys that were about 20 minutes each, and then I took another survey that was about 4 minutes, and then I was trying to take a couple other surveys. And when I was taking those surveys, I didn't meet the qualifications, and they gave me about 3 cents to 5 cents for just filling out, my age, my income, my demographic, and things of that nature. So before some of these surveys, they ask you, what's your demographic, how much money are you earning, what kind of industry are you involved in as far as what you work in, just like some other random questions. And let me stop this recording because this is insane. My points. So I have, okay, before I stop this recording, I have 267 points, so that's not even enough to get me a gift card. And that was an hour worth of surveys, filling this out in my car. So just to let you know, I just want to give you my opinion of Survey Junkie. So Survey Junkie, it's very easy to fill out the surveys, but is it the best use of your time? Definitely not. I do not believe Survey Junkie is a great use of your time. I mean, if you're just completely bored, like completely bored out of your mind, then go ahead and fill out Survey Junkie. If you want to download the app and test it out yourself, I'll leave a link below so you can check it out and just sign up for it. But I don't recommend it. I don't think it's a good use of your time. I might just keep this and try and fill out enough surveys so I could get that $5, that $5 Amazon gift card, and then cash it out, and then I will probably not do surveys anymore. I just really think that you could be doing better things with your time, like educating yourself. Then I'm going to make a video about this, talking about how to upgrade your skills. We should not be using our time to fill out surveys if you are going to make 96 cents an hour. If you went, first of all, if you were working Uber before and you're complaining about, you make $15 to $20 to $30 an hour driving Uber, and then you have to deduct your gas, your mileage, all this. You're making a lot more money on Uber than you are with Survey Junkie. And I completely understand if you're afraid of getting out there, you don't want to deliver food with, one of the services, Uber Eats, Postmates, Instacart. I completely understand that there's a lot going on right now, and that's probably not the best option for you if you want to stay healthy and sort of limit your risk, right? But I really don't think that Survey Junkie is the best other option for you. I'm going to start looking up some other ways to make money online, and I'll fill you guys in on that in the coming videos. But now is the time to pivot and upgrade our skills, and I'm going to start talking about some other ways that we could upgrade our skills, because that's something I talked about before in videos, is that you should not solely rely on Uber for your main source of income, that you should start trying to learn other things, try and maybe get a different job, just use Uber as a side hustle. And now that time is clear that we need to move on from Uber. Can we keep it? Yes. When things return back to normal, you could still do Uber, but let's try and work on some other things to upgrade our skills, maybe find another way to get some side income. So hope this video was helpful to show you so you don't go and waste an hour of your time just thinking you're going to make some money on Survey Junkie. I did the hour for you. Maybe you'll have a different experience if you do end up filling out surveys and somehow make a lot more money than 96 cents. Let me know. But in my opinion, I don't think it's worth it. Hope this video was helpful, and stay safe out there, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.